We are about to begin the official handover ceremony of the future embassy of the Laos People Democratic Republic in Timor-Leste. My name is Jubenya Caminha, and I'll be your master of ceremony for this historic transition. Today marks a significant milestone in our bilateral ties between Government of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste and Government of the Laos People Democratic Republic. To begin, I would like to invite Her Excellency Miss Vice Minister for ASEAN Affairs, Milena Maria da Costa Rangel, to the podium to share their reflections of the achievements of the past term and offer their parting words.
Very good morning. Your Excellency Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs of Laos PDR, Madam Pansamur Anglavan, Excellencies Ambassador of ASEAN Member States in Timor-Leste, Excellency Minister of Justice, Senior Dr. Sergio Ormai, Excellency Secretary General of Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Ambassador Jean Gambra, Timor-Leste Ambassador to Laos PDR, and I'd also like to acknowledge the presence of our former ambassadors of Timor-Leste to Laos PDR, the Mayor of Dili Municipality, Director Generals, Directors, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and also our dear media here. Very good morning. It is a great pleasure to be with you today for this meaningful occasion, marking the handover of a plot of land and buildings by the government of Timor-Leste to Laos PDR. This gesture reflects the strong bonds of friendship, solidarity, and mutual respect between our two countries. It also demonstrates our shared commitment to further strengthening diplomatic relations and cooperation, both bilaterally and within the ASEAN family. We hope that this land and buildings will serve as a lasting foundation for the establishment of the future Embassy of Laos PDR in Timor-Leste and a common aspiration for peace, development, and regional unity. Timor-Leste remains committed to deepening our cooperation with Laos PDR and to working closely together as we advance towards a stronger and more cohesive ASEAN. Once again, I would like to convey my sincere gratitude to Laos PDR, and I hope you have enjoyed your stay here over the last, maybe one day now, Excellency, and also to your delegation. I hope you enjoy your stay in Timor-Leste. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Her Excellency Vice Minister for ASEAN Affairs, for your remarks. It is now my pleasure to invite Her Excellency Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Laos People Democratic Republic to share her vision and commitment as they prepare to take the helm of this future residence of Embassy of Laos People Democratic Republic.
Very good morning, Your Excellency Dr. Sergio Ormai, and Your Excellency Madam Milena Richard, Vice Minister for ASEAN Affairs of Timor-Leste, and distinguished ambassadors, former ambassadors to Laos, and current ambassadors to Laos, and ladies and gentlemen, today it is my honor and pleasure to attend the handover ceremony of the right to use these buildings and land from the government of the Democratic Republic of the Laos PDR to prepare for establishment of the embassy of the Laos PDR in Delhi in the near future. And today, let me talk about 24 years ago, the joint communique on the establishment of diplomatic relations between our two countries was signed, and followed by the signing of several agreements the year later, and latest both sides has signed the agreement on exchanging the properties for the use as a diplomatic mission in respect territories in 2024. So that leads today's handover ceremony, and this is the important step. This step is significant for us to open our embassy here in Delhi, and soon we are also preparing to hand over the properties in Laos to the embassy of Timor-Leste in Vientiane as well. And I highly appreciate the handover of today's ceremony. We will utilize this property in order to enhance our diplomatic cooperation for the benefits of the two countries, two nations, and also an ASEAN families. The two-day handover ceremony shows the sincere assistance and strong commitment from Timor-Leste government to enable the Lao government to have our embassy in Delhi. And we will make the most use of this premise. So, like yesterday I mentioned, with our friends from ASEAN family here who are already based in Delhi, we still strongly need your assistance to Laos as well, and other colleagues from Ministry of Foreign Affairs, especially Madam Milena, for your assistance in the near future. And we will use as soon as possible, and please give us a few time to be ready to send our staff posting here. I no more than heart or sincere thanks for the government of Timor-Leste for this commitment and strong support to the government of the Laos PDR. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Excellency. We look forward to the journey ahead. We now come to the centerpiece of our ceremony. I invite His Excellency Mr. Sergio Jesus Fernandes de Costa Ornal.
Excelência, Senhora Vice-Ministra de Negócio Estrangeiro, Laos e delegação, é uma honra para nós receber a Sua Excelência na presente desta Casa Magna relativamente a uma atribuição sobre o terreno e prédio para a nossa consolidação. E agradeço também, senhores embaixadores, membros da Ásia, Malásia, Indonésia, Singapura, Tailândia, Vietnã, Filipinas e outros que onde recentemente contribuem bastante para a nossa consolidação do Estado de Direito Democrático de Timor-Leste. Timor-Leste nesta região asiática. Uma honra também, senhora Vice-Ministra, Ásia, onde dar oportunidade para o Ministro da Justiça proferir algumas coisas relativamente sobre a nosso empenho para uma colaboração, identificar este prédio e também terreno para fazer uma respeito mútua, cooperação recíproca entre nosso país irmão, Laos e Timor-Leste, para uma consolidação sistemática, estruturada para a nossa região asiática. Em nome do Governo, especialmente o Ministério da Justiça, quero agradecer a toda colaboração, todas colaboração e cooperação que onde é feita pelo nosso país irmão, que onde levar a Timor-Leste para este membro asiático. O Ministério da Justiça tenta procurar mais esforço para cooperar e colaborar com o Ministério do Negócio Estrangeiro para atribuir todos os direitos superfícies sobre direitos de propriedades, móveis e imóveis, para providenciar a nossos países irmãos, que onde Timor-Leste faz parte desta região. O nosso objetivo é para consolidar um Estado de Direito pacífico, respeito pela dignidade, direitos humanos e justiça e democracia. Vamos começar com este início, que onde Sua Excelência Vice-Ministro proferir hoje da sua intervenção relativamente a como é que nós vamos consolidar mais o nosso sistema Timor-Leste como Estado de Direito Democrático, para um bem-estar do nosso povo, para a democracia e justiça. Vamos trabalhar para este projeto, vamos trabalhar para estes sonhos, consolidar uma ASEAN, tanto no regional, tanto no bilateral, como um país mais livre, democrático e respeito mútuo. Muito obrigado.
Thank you, His Excellency Minister of Justice, for your remarks. We now come to the centerpiece of our ceremony. I invite His Excellency Mr. Sergio de Jesus Fernandes da Costa Ornai, Minister of Justice, Her Excellency Milena Rangel, Vice Minister for ASEAN Affairs, and Her Excellency Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Laos People Democratic Republic to symbolize the handover land and premises of Embassy of Laos People Democratic Republic by cutting the ribbon. Please, let's count together. 3, 2, 1. Please give big round of applause.
My first time to see as well. That's why. First time to see.